Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Inviting all of you to the video series of Expert in Python Automation using Pytest-Playwright. My name is Rajesh. In this video, I am going to talk about the introduction and installation setup. Let's get started. Firstly, I am going to talk about some of the important points about Python, Pytest, and Playwright. Python is highly popular programming language for automation, renowned for its simplicity, readability, and the extensive library ecosystem. It is widely used to automate UI, API, and database testing, supporting various testing types, including unit testing, functional regression testing, and integration testing. Python offers robust testing framework such as unit test, PyTest, Behave, and Nose, which cater to diverse testing needs. In this video series, we are going to talk about only PyTest. Pytest is a popular testing framework for Python designed to make it easy to write simple tests and scale up to complex functional testing for applications and libraries. Feature system and assertions are key features of Pytest. And Playwright is a modern open source framework for end-to-end testing of web applications. It allows developers and testers to automate interactions with web browsers to ensure applications behave as expected across different platforms and devices. Playwright is used to automate the complex scenarios and ensures the consistent behavior across the browsers and devices. Moving on to the next slide. To start with Python automation, these are the list of tools and plugins to be installed on our system. I have listed some of the links and some of the commands here. We can see one by one. Visual Studio Code is the IDE where we can execute all our Python scripts. So I have already installed the Visual Studio Code on my machine, so I'm not going to reinstall it again. So Python can be downloaded from their official website. I have provided the link over here. So we can click on it and we can download the software. So currently 3.13.1 is the latest version. I'm going to download it. The file is downloaded. So I'm going to install this exe. So here you can click on this install now. So when you go to this customize installation, you can see what are all the softwares are going to install. So we need to have this pip to be installed on our system. So I'm not going to deselect anything. So I'll go to back and I'll select this admin privilege and add python.exe to path. So then only this path will be added to the environment variable. I'll just select this one and click on install now. Yeah, installation is completed. Once we install this one, we can open the command prompt. We can verify whether the application is installed correctly or not. For that, we need to type python hyphen version. So yeah, we got the version Python 3.13.1 is installed. I'm closing it. Once we install the Python, we need to install the Pytest-Playwright plugin. So for that, this is the command pip install Pytest-Playwright. For that, I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. So from here, for that, first you have to open any of the folder. So I have already opened ex1. So from here, you can go to the terminal, new terminal. So here only we are going to execute all our commands, Python commands. So here we are going to type the same command, whatever we discussed. Pip install Pytest-Playwright. So Pytest-Playwright version 0.7.0 is installed successfully. So once after this one, we have to install Playwright install. So Playwright install, this is going to install all our browsers. So Chrome, Edge, Firefox, all these browsers dependencies will get downloaded and installed by this command. This will take some time to download. So now the Playwright install is completed. All the browsers got downloaded. If suppose if you wanted to upgrade our Pytest Playwright version, so we can use this command pip install Pytest Playwright -u. So it will upgrade to the latest version in future. I'll just execute the same command. -u. Yeah, like this way, it will upgrade to the latest version if it is available. Otherwise, it will just say requirement already satisfied. So yeah, now we installed all the softwares, required softwares. Now I will execute this Pytest to execute one sample project. I have this ex1 project, one simple code I have written just to open Google browser. For that, we have to type Pytest. Yeah, the test case got passed. The browser is not open because it is headless mode it is running. That's the reason browser is not opened. If you wanted to open in headed mode, we have to pass Pytest --- headed. Yeah, test case got passed. Yeah, this is all about the introduction and installation and setup of Python Pytest Playwright automation. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos. Stay connected with me for the next one.